Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So now I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 3x squared. This one we have number 1, so we got number 6. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we just have only x squared minus number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So we have like this. So this one we change by u. X squared minus number 2 dx we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have this formula. So we put 1 over 2 gone here. So 1 over 2 plus 1, we have 3 over 2. Next, about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.